Behance Freelancer Platform Review, Usage Experience. In today's video, we're diving into a detailed review of Behance as a freelancer platform, its features, user experience, and whether it's the right fit for creative professionals like designers, illustrators, and photographers. Behance, owned by Adobe, serves as a portfolio platform and networking hub for creatives, allowing them to showcase their work, get discovered, and connect with potential clients. It's specifically designed for artists looking to gain exposure and collaborate with others in the creative industry. When it comes to features, Behance is solid. The platform allows you to create a visually appealing, fully customizable portfolio where you can display your projects with detailed descriptions, tags, and categories. You can upload multiple project images and videos, making it easier for potential clients to get a feel for your style. Unlike many other portfolio platforms, Behance integrates with Adobe Creative Cloud, enabling seamless access to your files and creative tools. This is perfect for designers who already use Adobe products. Another major advantage of Behance is its job board, which is tailored specifically to the creative industry. Clients from around the world post freelance and full-time opportunities directly on the platform, and you can easily apply to jobs or even be contacted by potential clients who find your portfolio. Plus, you get access to the Behance community, an active and engaged group of creatives where you can get feedback, build your network, and even collaborate on projects. This community aspect is especially beneficial for newcomers trying to make connections in the creative world. However, there are a few drawbacks. Behance doesn't have a built-in payment system or direct project management tools like other freelancer platforms such as Upwork or Fiverr. You'll have to handle negotiations, contracts, and payments independently, which can be time-consuming. Additionally, the competition is fierce, with many talented freelancers showcasing their work, which might make it harder for newcomers to stand out. Overall, Behance is an excellent platform for creatives looking to build a portfolio, network with industry professionals, and find job opportunities. Its integration with Adobe tools is a significant perk for those already in the Adobe ecosystem. While it lacks certain freelancer-specific tools, its community and job board make it a strong contender for those seeking exposure and client connections in the creative industry.